Okay, here's my matchless and my cat, Ollie. This one is the model that has two treadles. I have an injured leg and I cannot operate a single treadle for very long. And this way, this one will actually let me operate it on one pedal, either the left or the right or both pedals, and that way I can rest my bad leg as it gets tired, or when I'm pedaling with both treadles I can use my stronger leg to support it and take up more of the work from the bad leg. So here are the two, oh, that was a good demonstration. Here are the two treadles and two footmen moving. Each treadle has its own footman, so that if I disconnected this footman, this other treadle would still be able to operate the spinning wheel just fine. Now, what happened when I first started is what I meant by hitting dead center. When this footman lines up exactly with the arm, the radius here, where it connects to the center of the wheel, see, this is the radius right here. When that's exactly lined up with that footman, I can press on this treadle and it can't move. It can't because it's pulling the length of this little metal arm. And in order to get leverage to move it, it needs to be just a tiny fraction. Let's try. Just a little tiny fraction, not parallel, and now when I push on it, it can go. But if it's lined up exactly, then it can't. Okay? And that's one of the problems with being dead center. Now notice on this one, because there are two footmen, this one's dead. But this footman can still work, can still operate it on its own, because it's not parallel at the same time. So this wheel effectively has no dead space on it, because one or the other footman is always live. So that's my matchless. That's why I love it. Hope that answers your question.